Right now, the average American is getting $3,676 back from the IRS. And the people who know about 4 brand new tax deductions that took effect this year are getting $775 more on top of that. Most people filing taxes right now have no idea those deductions exist. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what changed, why your refund should be bigger this year, how to claim every single dollar you are owed, and how to get it deposited in your bank account as fast as humanly possible. And I will tell you the one mistake that is causing delays for over 1 million filers right now, so you can completely avoid it. Here is everything we are covering today. Number 1, I will tell you exactly why refunds are 10.6% bigger this year, and where all that extra money is actually coming from. Number 2, I will break down 4 brand new tax deductions created by the new tax law that went into effect for the 2025 tax year, and how to claim every one of them. Number 3, I will walk you step by step through the fastest path to your refund and show you exactly how to track it after you file. Number 4, I will tell you the single mistake millions of people are making right now that is adding weeks to their wait time and exactly how to avoid it. Number 5, I will cover all the completely free filing options available right now, including one most people do not know exists. Before we start, drop in the comments right now. Have you already filed your 2025 taxes? Type yes, no, or waiting. I read every comment. Let me start by explaining why refunds are so much bigger this year, because once you understand this, you will never look at your paycheck the same way again. In mid-2025, Congress passed a law called the One Big Beautiful Bill Act. It created brand new tax deductions for workers and seniors. But here's what happened after that law passed. Most employers across America did not update their payroll withholding tables. They kept taking out the same amount of federal tax from every paycheck, even after the law changed what you owe. So throughout 2025, tens of millions of American workers were overpaying taxes week after week, paycheck after paycheck. Money that legally should have stayed in your pocket was going to the IRS instead. Now it is 2026. Tax season, and all that excess withholding is coming back to you as a refund. That is why the IRS has already sent out $182.6 billion in refunds through mid-March. That is nearly $20 billion more than at this exact point last year. The average refund as of March 6th was $3,676, up 10.6% from $3,324 last year. And for filers who claim the new deductions, the ones I am about to show you, the average jumped even higher, by $775 more on top of that. This is a section that could put real money in your pocket right now. For brand new deductions exist for the 2025 tax year, created by the One Big Beautiful Bill Act. People who claim these are averaging $775 more in their refund. Here they are one by one. No tax on tips, restaurant, hotel, salon, delivery, nail tech tip income may be fully tax exempt. Max deduction, $25,000. Save, $500, $3,000. No tax on overtime. Worked overtime hours in 2025. Extra shifts. Holiday doubles now as a federal deduction. Save, $300 to $2,000. Car loan interest. Paid interest on an auto loan for a U.S.-made vehicle in 2025, deduct up to $10,000 of that interest. Save $200 to $1,200. $6,000 senior deduction. Age 65 plus. New $6,000 deduction. $12,000 couple. Reduces or eliminates tax on Social Security income. Save $600 to $3,000. All 4 claimed on a new IRS form called Schedule 1A. If you use online tax software, it will prompt you. If you use a preparer, say these exact words. I want to claim everything on Schedule 1A tips, overtime, car loan interest, and the senior deduction. Write it on paper. Bring it with you. Drop in the comments which deduction applies to you: tips, overtime, car loan, senior, or type all 4 if you hit the jackpot. I want to see your replies. Knowing about the refund is one thing. Getting it fast is another. Here is a definitive 5-step guide to the fastest possible refund straight from IRS data. E-file, never mail a paper return. Paper returns take 4 to 8 weeks just to process. E-filed returns are handled in days. This single decision cuts your wait time by up to 6 weeks. Choose direct deposit. The IRS confirms 9 out of 10 people who e-file and choose direct deposit receive their refund within 21 days. Paper checks add 1 to 2 more weeks on top of that. Also new in 2026, the IRS has stopped mailing paper checks for most filers. Direct deposit is now required for most returns. File as soon as all your documents arrive. W-2s, 1099s, and other forms are due to you by early February, the moment you have them. File. The IRS processes on a first-come, first-served basis. Double-check every number before hitting submit. The top cause of refund delays is a math error or wrong Social Security number. One mistake resets your 21-day clock. Tax software auto-checks for these use it. File for free. Go to irs.gov/freefile. If your 2025 income was $84,000 or less, you can file your federal return completely free using brand name tax software. No cost. No catch. If this is helping you, hit subscribe right now. I post updates every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday Social Security IRS benefits. Tax law always in plain English, always free. Tap subscribe. 2 seconds. Okay, back to it. After you file, one question takes over everything. Where's my money? Here's exactly when and how to track your refund. The IRS free tool is called Where's My Refund? Go to irs.gov/refunds. Here's a timeline. 24 hours after e-filing, your status appears in the tracker. You will need your Social Security number, your filing status, and the exact refund dollar amount from your return. 3 to 4 days if you filed a prior year return electronically. 4 weeks if you mailed a paper return, which, again, is exactly why you e-file. The tracker updates once per day. Checking it 10 times a day does nothing. Set a reminder to check once each morning. Here's a mistake I promise you, and it is costing over 1 million people extra weeks right now. In 2026, the IRS has officially phased out paper refund checks for most taxpayers. If you do not have direct deposit set up, or if you select paper check on your return, your refund will be delayed while the IRS figures out how to send it to you. For over 1.4 million filers right now, this is already causing delays. The fix is simple. Always enter your current bank account and routing number every single year you file, even if nothing has changed since last year. Do not assume the IRS has it. Re-enter it every time. The second big delay trigger, claiming the Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, or the Additional Child Tax Credit, ACTC. By federal law, the PATH Act, the IRS cannot release refunds containing these credits before mid-February, no matter when you filed. This is the law, not a glitch, not a problem. If you claimed either of these credits, your earliest possible refund date is late February. Track at irs.gov/refunds. Do not call the IRS before checking the tracker. They cannot speed it up. Have you ever had your refund delayed? Type yes and tell me how many weeks in the comments. This helps others know what to expect. Drop your reply below right now. All right, let's land plane. Here is everything from today in 60 seconds. The average IRS refund is $3,676, up 10.6% from last year, because new tax law plus employer withholding that was not updated means millions of workers were overtaxed in 2025. There are 4 new deductions on Schedule 1A: tips, overtime, car loan interest, senior deduction. Filers claiming these get $775 more. Tell your preparer, or the software will ask you. Fastest refund path. E-file today plus direct deposit equals 21 days. Paper return plus paper check equals 8 to 12 weeks. The choice is yours. Track your refund at irs.gov/refunds. Updates once a day. Available 24 hours after e-filing. Check once a day, not 10 times. Enter your direct deposit info every single year. The IRS is phasing out paper checks. 1.4 million filers are already delayed because of this. Do not be one of them. The deadline is April 15th, 2026. File free at irs.gov/freefile if your 2025 income was $84,000 or less. Or call 1-800-906-9887 for free in-person help through the VITA program. If this video saved you time or money today, hit the like button right now. It takes 2 seconds, and it helps YouTube show this to more Americans who need it. And if you are not subscribed, I put out new updates every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Social Security, IRS benefits, and tax news always in plain English. Always free, always for you. I will see you in the next video. Go get your money.